In this video, we will show you how to replace your inside fender liner on this Ford Flex. This will be located inside of each of your front wheel wells. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing you want to do is safely raise and support the front of your vehicle so the wheel's off the ground with the suspension hanging. Once you've done that, continue on to removing all 5 of your 19mm lug nuts and then the wheel. Now that we have the wheel off, we have a nice clear view of our inside wheel well. To start removing this from the vehicle, you're going to find that you have several push clips that you're going to have to remove. We'll start along the backside and make our way all the way around towards the front. Now to remove these push clips, you're going to find that you have a small area in the center that looks like you can use a Phillips head screwdriver. It's common for that to strip out. The best way to remove these is with a small pick, coming right inside this center area and pull out the center first. Once you have it broken free, you can continue on with a trim tool. We'll fully remove the center and then pull out the outer aspect. It's common, once you have the center pulled out far enough, it'll also remove the outer part as well. This push clip's a little bit different. Just get underneath the center still, and we can remove that. Now we can remove our 3 5.5mm mounting bolts. Give this a little wiggle and remove it from the vehicle. There it is, friends. All right, let's get ready to install that inside fender liner. We'll take this and put it in place, sliding it up and behind your fender. Now, once you get it up in here, we're going to continue on with the center push clip to hold it in place. Go ahead and align that mounting hole and then push it up and through. Now let's continue on with the rest of our push clips. Make our way over to the other side. Now we can install our 3 5.5mm mounting bolts. All right, at this point, we can reinstall our wheel. We'll start on each one of our 19mm lug nuts, snug them up, get the wheel back on the ground, and then torque them to 100 foot-pounds. With the wheel safely back on the ground, we'll torque each of these in a crisscross manner. Torqued.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.